Welcome to this easy-to-follow guide on logging into Formative with a join code. Whether you're a student or a teacher, this step-by-step process will walk you through the login procedure so you can start using Formative quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Formative website. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the official Formative website. You can do this by typing in the URL https://goformative.com. Step 2. Click on Login. Once you're on the Formative homepage, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the Login page. Step 3. Select Join a Form. On the Login page, you'll see a variety of options to log in. To join a class or activity with a join code, select the Join a Form option. This option is specifically for students and participants who are joining an activity or assessment. Step 4. Enter the join code. Now, you will be prompted to enter a join code. This unique code is usually provided by your teacher or the organizer of the activity. Carefully type the join code into the space provided. Tip: double-check for any typos or errors in the code before proceeding. Step 5. Click Join. Once the join code is entered correctly, click the Join button. This will take you to the specific formative activity or class that you are trying to access. Step 6. Log in with your account. Depending on your setup, you may need to log in with your Formative account. If you don't already have one, there might be an option to create a new account. You can use your Google or Microsoft account, or you can sign up using an email address. Step 7. Start working. Once you've logged in, you will be taken directly to the assigned formative activity. From here, you can begin working on the tasks, assessments, or lessons that have been set up for you. Additional tips: make sure you have the correct join code from your teacher or the event organizer. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. If you encounter any issues, double-check the code or reach out to your teacher for support. That's it. Now you're ready to dive into your formative tasks. Enjoy your learning experience. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.